guys, and I'm gonna show you the ultimate explosion, and I changed my skin here, yay, because it's updated, and just because Mojang has a new update, and that was funny. Anyways, I'm gonna show you the ultimate explosion. So yeah, and keep the TNT together. Yeah, like that. But it's not together. So there we go. And there we go. That's like that. Okay, so it's not connected to the other ones. Okay. The TNT must be together. And don't forget the flint of steel. Okay. Okay. So that's how you do it. And by the way, I'm gonna show you the new blocks and items here. Okay, last time it's emeralds. Now it's special. And that one, the block, redstone, and also all of the tools. Also the wooden and that. And that's for it, guys.